Item number 4, consider approval of an agreement between Mesa County and Xcel Energy for an on-site distribution extension for the 32.5 Road Project Street, lighting in the amount of $182,459.75. Daniel Larkin, Senior Traffic Engineer, to present.
Morning, Commissioners. Daniel Larkin, Senior Traffic Engineer. Come before you asking for approval of this agreement to basically install lighting on the 32.5 corridor, extending up to Grand, up just next to Highway 6, all the way down to the canal where we just ended our previous project. As we were developing the plans for this project, that was pretty universally the request of the residents, just to have more lighting on the corridor. I think only one person was not in favor, but she doesn't live there anymore. So everyone we've talked to would like to see better lighting on that corridor. We don't own and operate our own lighting in Mesa County. Xcel owns the lighting and we pay them a monthly fee for electricity and maintenance. So that's why this agreement is with Xcel. They'll be the ones that install the lighting and then own and operate it. But I'm happy to answer any questions you may have.
Okay, Commissioners, do you have any questions or comments on this item today?
I know I've discussed in the past, but I just can't remember. Do we not have a franchise agreement with Xcel that would take care of lighting?
Not that I'm aware of. It's in the past, I've just always worked out these agreements with them to install them, and then they add it to our monthly bill in terms of the per light cost. Not every light in Mesa County is paid for by the county. That's something that's kind of interesting. I would say probably 80% of the lights in the county outside of the city limits are paid for by residents. Like in a neighborhood, they'll all be paying for that light. So on these major corridors though, that we end up taking.
Okay, because I think City of Grand Junction is a franchise agreement and Xcel pays for all lighting. And I didn't know if there was something similar we could do or.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I'd have to look into that.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, Daniel.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks, Daniel.
Does anyone in the audience have any questions or comments on the item today? Seeing none, I will entertain a motion to approve the item as published.
So moved.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Motion carries 3-0.
Thank you.
Thank you, Daniel.
Thank you.